Okay, I'm going to do a voiceover. We're going to be replacing the sink strainer washers. Pulling it out right now. I already took the bottom washer off with the special tool. I'm going to show you the special tool. Right now, I'm about to put a plumber's putty, but I have to clean everything. Alright. Please. The flashlight down there. I was trying to cover the glare up on my editing, but obviously my movement, it didn't work so well. So you got to clean it up real well to get the plumber's putty in.
Alright.
Right, make sure that area is good. And the strainer itself. Okay. I'll do the plumber's putty. I've already cleaned the strainer real well, just like I cleaned the strainer. Alright, let's see that. No residue at all. If you have like a little rubbing alcohol, put it on a rag like around there, or alcohol wipes. You're going to take the plumber's putty. You buy it at the hardware store. Okay. There it is. Plumber's putty. See?
Plumber's putty.
Buy it at the hardware store. In the plumber's section. Okay. You roll it up in your hand. See? Just like Play-Doh. Roll it up in your hand. A long strand of it. Like that. And then you're going to roll it around the strainer. The strainer is what fits inside that hole right there. That's what captures everything. And the water goes straight down to the pipe. Alright, so you see?
All that has to be clean.
So you stick it. That's the strainer. It's already been cleaned. I should have showed it a little longer.
Alright.
Alright, now you're going to place the putty right on the bottom part of that lip to where it goes in between the strainer and the sink. See where it's at? Okay, so when you put it into that hole down there, it's going to compress it down and spread. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect because whatever excess you have, but you need to make sure you have enough all the way around.
Let's do it again.
And I think I just saw a little bit on one side. I think what I did was I took it off.
Roll it again.
You see me rolling again in the shadows. I took it off because I wasn't satisfied with one edge. It was just a little bit. It wasn't going to have enough. I didn't want to take a chance. Ain't no sense rushing. Make sure you get, this is your barrier where water is like building a levee. You don't want the water to be able to get through there. You need to make sure it's right. You don't want to go 6 feet all the way around, all of a sudden have a sloop to 4 feet. You're going to have issues there. Okay. As soon as you get the plumber's putty on, you get it all the way around there. You want to stick it in. See how I'm doing it right now? And what I have sticking through there is a pair of channel locks. It just helps me to hold on to it. They have a tool for it, but it's going to pop in and out.
There you go.
So I'll stick the channel lock in there and just grab on, especially the little rubber part goes on the handle. Right now I'm just sticking it, placing it in.
All right, let's go to the other side.
Doing it in anything, just putting a little pressure on it.
That's the special tool.
That's the tool that you
Husky
take
makes
off
it.
the lock walk at the bottom. It's a special tool.
It's not that
Buy
expensive.
this from the store. Like $12. But you're always going to be able to use it.
Of course, there's this one too. Okay, peel this off. Like this. See? I'll dig it out. Yeah, I'll dig it out, leave it in there. Get the excess. See? Like that. Just like that. All right. Trash. That goes in there.
She said, I don't treat her right, but blah, 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 blah. That was the day's work.
All right, everything dry down here. Everything dry. Nothing wet up here. See? Nothing wet. There's some water.
Do you need some rags for anything, baby?
Nope, you good.
No, I'm talking about to take with you. I'm about to throw some rags away. I just washed them and
Oh, yeah, I'll take them, sure.
I guess the water machine ate them up.
I can always use them. When I paint, let's do it.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Yeah.